Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we will be focusing on replacing the motor of the Dysoon HS01. This task requires some specific tools and a bit of patience. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools for this job. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a torque wrench, and a pair of pliers. These tools will help you remove the old motor and install the new one securely. Before we dive into the replacement process, ensure you have unplugged the device from the power source to avoid any electrical hazards. Safety is our top priority. Now, let's open the casing of the Dysoon HS01. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located on the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the back panel is off, take a moment to clean any dust and debris inside the unit. This is crucial for maintaining the performance of your device. A clean environment will also help in the new motor installation. Next, you'll locate the motor. It is typically secured with several screws. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws carefully. If you encounter any resistance, a bit of gentle wiggling should help dislodge the motor. With the old motor removed, take a moment to inspect the wiring. If you're not comfortable with this step, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. We can help you assess the situation and ensure everything is in order before proceeding. Now, let's prepare to install the new motor. Align it with the mounting points in the casing. Make sure the wiring is correctly positioned and not pinched or in danger of being damaged. Once everything is aligned, secure the new motor in place with the screws you removed earlier. Use your torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's specifications. This step is vital to ensure the motor is securely mounted and operates correctly. If you don't have the tools or would prefer not to tackle this yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. Our team can take care of the entire process for you, ensuring a hassle-free experience. After the motor is securely in place, reattach the back panel. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver to fasten the screws. Make sure everything is snug but be careful not to over-tighten. Finally, plug the Dysoon HS01 back into the power source. Turn it on and test the new motor to ensure it's functioning properly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us. We provide quotes before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide to replacing the motor on your Dysoon HS01. With the right tools and a little patience, you can successfully complete this task. If at any point you feel unsure, remember our services are here to assist you. No calls, no travel, just convenience at your fingertips. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.